Hello dear student, welcome to our official YouTube channel MathsBird. So today our topic, as you know, percentage and its application. We have done the basics of percentage and its application, right? So today we will solve some problems. So uh, most of the portion we have covered, right? And I have shared the video, right? I have shared all the videos you privately, but this is a public video, so you all have access. So without wasting time, let's start. Find the whole quantity if 6% of it is 30. First thing is, they are saying find the whole quantity. So firstly you will write this is firstly you will write let the whole quantity be x. ठीक है, so let the whole quantity be x. Now they are saying 6% of it means whose 6%? Whole quantity is 6%, and here we are assuming the whole quantity is x. That means 6% of x is 30. So this is a part, just write it. 6% of it means x. Why? Because we are supposing here the whole quantity be x. ठीक, so 6% of x is equal to 30. That is the statement, right? If you know how to write this statement, that means 90% you have solved the question. 90% you have solved the question. Now percent means we know that if it is written the percentage means upon 100. 6%, that means 6 by 100. Of means multiply. X equal to 30. Now this is like 6x, 6 multiplied by x, that is 6x upon 100 equal to 30. Okay, this is like, there is two type of method to solve this equation. The first is just cut it. 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10, 50, right? And the second thing is, no need to cut this one. This is 6x, this is 100. You just simply write it 30 by 1. 30 by 1 means nothing, right? If 30 is given, we can write it 30 by 1, and we have discussed it in rational number, right? Now what you will do, cross multiply. After cross multiplying, 6x multiplied by 1, you will write 6x multiplied by 1 will be equal to 30 multiplied by 100. 6 1 is 6, that is 6x is equal to 30 multiplied by 100. Up 6 here, 6 is in multiplication, so when 6 will come this side, the sign will be changed. 30 multiplied by 100. See, here 6 is with multiplication sign, right? Sign is not there, but if it is written like any number, suppose 7, and with x, that means 7 multiplied by x. 12x, that means 12 multiplied by x, right? So this is 6x, that means 6 multiplied by x. Now when 6 will come this side, so sign will be changed. Sign will be changed means if plus sign will be here, so it will come this side, it will be in minus. If minus sign is there and it will come right side of equal to, it will be plus. If multiplication sign is there and it will come this side of equal, it will be division. And if division sign is there and it will come right side to the equal to, it will in multiplication, right? So although we have discussed all these things, still I am explaining to you. So 6 will come this side, right, with division sign, that means upon 6. Now simply you can cut this. 6 5 ja 30, 500. That means what will be the value of x? X will be 500. That means the whole quantity will be 500, right? Similarly, you can solve B also. C, D, E, F all, right? But I am explaining one more. That is C part. Again I am explaining, and I will explain F part. A we have discussed. We will discuss C and F. B, D and E you will try. So again C part, 32% of it. Same thing. 32% means 32 weight. Again let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity be x. Same thing we will do. What we will do? The same thing that we have done in the first part, that is let the whole quantity be x. So it is given that 32% of it, that means x is equal to 1.6 kg. Okay, same thing. If kg is mentioned, so we will mention kg. Now percent means upon 100, 32 by 100, of means multiply, x is equal to 1.6 kg. Now it will be like 32x by 100 equal to 1.6 kg upon 1. We can write up upon 1. Now after cross multiplying, what will we get? We will get 32x multiplied by 1 is equal to 100 multiplied by 1.6 kg. 32x is equal to 100 multiplied by 1.6 kg. Right? Now when 32 will come this side, it will be x equal to 100 multiplied by 1.6 kg whole upon 32. Now you will multiply it. 100 multiplied by 1.6. See how many 0 are there? 2. So simply we will write 16 to 0. Before how many digit decimal is there? Before 1 digit decimal is there. So before 1 digit we will put decimal. So it is 160.0 kg upon 32. This is 160, this is 0.32. So simply we can write 160 kg upon 32. 16 1 ja 16 and 0. 16 2 ja 32, 2 5 ja 10. That means the answer is 5 kg. So 32% of it. Find the whole quantity. Here you will write the whole quantity is 5 kg. Right? Now similarly 15% of 27 minutes. Same thing. You will write, let the whole quantity be x. 15% of x is equal to 27 minutes. Similarly, you will solve this question. See, percentage means upon 100. You will write 15 upon 100. Of means multiply, x is equal to 27 minutes. When you will multiply 15 and x, it will be 15x upon 100 is equal to 27 minutes by 1. We can write 27 as a 27 by 1. Now cross multiply. We will do cross multiply. Then what we will get? We will get 15x multiplied by 1 is equal to 100 multiplied by 27 minutes. It will be 15x is equal to 2700 minutes. X is equal to 2700 upon 15 minutes. Right? When you will solve this, you will get the whole quantity. Right? So now the next question. Anjali saves 1200 every month in a recurring deposit in a bank. If this amount is 2% of her monthly salary, find her monthly salary. How you will solve this? Firstly, you will find out what they are asking to you. Firstly, you will find out what they are asking to you. So what they are asking to you, they are asking find her monthly salary. So you will write let her monthly salary be x. अभी जो पूछा है, जो भी दे आर आस्किंग ना, जो भी पूछ रहे हैं उसी को हम x मानेंगे. लेट हर मंथली सैलरी बी x. अभी जो कहा है वी विल डू द सेम थिंग. ठीक है, तो अभी व्हाट दे आर सेइंग अंजलि सेव्स 1200 एवरी मंथ इन अ रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट, एंड इफ दिस अमाउंट, विच अमाउंट, दिस रिकरिंग अमाउंट, मीन्स इफ दिस अमाउंट रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट, right, this amount is 2% of her monthly income, means that they are saying 1200 is 2% of her monthly salary, and we are assuming monthly salary x, so of x, right? So we will write like this, 2% of x is equal to 1200. ठीक है, यही तो बोल रहे हैं कि इफ दिस अमाउंट, मतलब ये जो 1200 अमाउंट है, दिस इज 2% ऑफ हर मंथली सैलरी. हर मंथली सैलरी इज x, so 2% of x is given 1200. Same thing, 2 by 100 of means multiply, x is equal to 1200. 2x by 100 is equal to 1200 by 1. Cross multiply, 2x will be equal to, so x will be equal to 1200. दो जीरो और थे, दो जीरो and 2. So find her monthly salary. Her monthly salary was 60,000. That is the answer. Very easy it is. Now next question. Priyanka uses 2 to 5 gram of मैदा from a packet to bake a cake. अभी कितना वो यूज़ कर रही है? What amount she is using? 225 gram. If this quantity, which quantity? 2 to 5 gram is 20% of the मैदा. अभी we will find out कि what they are asking. They are asking find the total quantity. So we will write let the total quantity. Firstly, we will find out what actually they are asking to us. If they are asking whatever thing they are asking, we will assume the particular thing is x, right? So they are asking find the total quantity of maida, so we will assume let the total quantity of maida be x. ठीक, जो पूछा है वही हमने assume किया है और वही हम assume करेंगे. अब कह रहे हैं 20% ऑफ मैदा. इफ दिस क्वांटिटी इज 20% ऑफ मैदा एंड वी आर एज्यूमिंग टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैदा इज x, सो 20% ऑफ मैदा ना, एंड मैदा इज x इज इक्वल टू विच क्वांटिटी? 2 to 5. नाउ 20% means upon 100 of means multiply x equal to 2 to 5 gram. 0 0 will be cancel out, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, it will be x by 5, 2 to 5 gram. After cross multiplying, it will be x equal to 2 to 5 into 5 gram. Okay, so 1125 gram, or we know that 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. That means 1125 gram or 1.125 kilogram. Both answer is correct. Fine. Now this one. In a flat 60% of the area is occupied by bedroom. ठीक, अभी पहले we will find out क्या पूछा है, find the total area of flat. let the total area of flat be x. अभी देखते हैं क्या पूछा है. 60% of area is occupied by bedroom. If the area occupied by the bedroom is 720 square feet. ठीक है. That means ये जो 60% दिया है ना, this is 60% is given ना, means and here this is 720, means the value of 60% is 720. The value of 60% is 720. But whose 60%? A big question is, fine, we know that 60% of something is equal to 720. But whose? Don't know na. So, and we are assuming total area of flat is x. Obviously, from the total area 60% is occupied by bedroom na. From the total area, that's why 60% of x is equal to 720. 60 by 100, 720. भाई टोटल जो एरिया है उसी में तो आपका बेडरूम होगा ना, बेडरूम कहीं बाहर तो होगा नहीं, तो उसी टोटल एरिया का में 60% एरिया इज ऑक्यूपाइड बाय बेडरूम, तो टोटल हमने x माना है, उसी का 60% एरिया बेडरूम का है, और कह क्या रहे हैं कि वो जो एरिया ऑक्यूपाई है बेडरूम का वो 720 है. मीन्स फर्स्टली दे आर गिविंग द डेटा इन परसेंटेज, देन दे आर गिविंग द डेटा इन न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू, राइट. सो दैट मीन्स परसेंटेज में 60 है, एक्चुअल वैल्यू 720. तो 60% किसका है? टोटल का है ना. दैट मीन्स 60% ऑफ x इज 720. 0 0 will be cancel out. 6x by 10, 720. x is equal to 720 into 10, cross multiply. Okay, upon 6. Here also you can write 6x is equal to 720 into 10. Then next, in the next step, x is equal to 720 into 10 by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 1 7, 6 2 ja 12. Total area is 1200 square feet. Right? Here the quantity is square feet, right? Then you will write the same quantity square feet. Same unit, sorry, square feet. Now next. In an election for selecting the school campaign, Amit got 58% of total votes, and they are asking find the total vote. Let the total vote be x. Amit got 50% of total vote that were cast, and if Amit got 725. Okay. Amit got 58% of x. क्यों? Because total vote, Amit got 58% of total vote, and total vote we are assuming x, that's why Amit got 58% of x. And if Amit got 725 vote, same thing, Amit got 58% of x and Amit got 720 vote. Both are same now. So we will write Amit got 725 votes. देखो एक इक्वेशन ये हो गई, एक इक्वेशन वो हो गई. एक में कह रहे हैं कि अमित ने 58% ऑफ एक्स लिया है, दूसरे में कह रहे हैं अमित को मतलब अमित को 725 वोट्स मिले. दैट मीन्स बोथ आर सेम ना. सो 58% ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 725. सेम ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन जैसा है. Now same thing, 58 by 100 multiply by x equal to 725. Now you will solve it and you can find out the value of x. Now next, convert the following ratio into percentage. How we will find out the percentage? See, this is 3 ratio 7. We can write 3 by 7. If we are converting it percentage, we will write into 100. That is 300 by 7 percent. 300 by 7%. Same thing. 1:9, that means 1 by 9 multiply by 100, that is 100 by 9 percentage. Okay. Now next one is the ratio of boy and girl in the class is this one. Find the percentage of boy and girl in the class. One more thing. Here you can write one more thing, that is not like this. See, same thing, this is 3:7, 1:9, and this is 5:3. But here what they are asking, and they are asking find the percentage of boy and girl. They are asking percentage separately, but in the above question they didn't ask separately. They asked convert the following ratio into percentage. If they are asking convert the following ratio in percentage, you will do 3/7 into 100, 1 by 9 into 100. But if they are asking the particular ratio, you can't do this. In this question you can't do 5/3 into 100. No. Here find the percentage of boy. Now you will write the percentage of boys is equal to, यहाँ रेशियो बॉय एंड गर्ल का दिया है, दैट मीन्स ये वाला रेशियो किसका है, बॉय का है, and the second is girl, so the second ratio will be girl ratio, right? And we are finding out the percentage of boy. हाँ, परसेंटेज ऑफ बॉय. सो बॉय का रेशियो कितना है, 5 है, तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे 5, यहाँ लिखेंगे 100. वाई? बिकॉज वी आर कन्वर्टिंग इट इन परसेंटेज. बट व्हाट वी विल राइट इन अपॉन वी विल राइट द टोटल वैल्यू. सो अभी एक क्लास में, इफ इन द क्लास आई एम सेइंग 5 boys and 3 girls, how many so total how many students are there? I am saying 5 boys are there and 3 girls are there. So how many students are there? Obviously 8 students. So in ratio you will write, you will add this, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now you can solve. 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 125 by 2%, or you can write it, you can write it 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5, 2 5 ja 9, 62.5. How you will get 62? 125 divided by 2, you will get 62.5%. Same thing you will do here. Percentage of girl. See, here what is the ratio of girl? 3 is the ratio of girl that is given now. So see, 3 multiply by 100 whole upon total. 5 plus 3 again 8. 75 by 2% or 37.5%. That is the answer. When you will solve 75 by 2, you will get 37.5. Next question, the ratio of red stone to white stone in a necklace is this one. Find the percentage of red stone, white stone in the necklace. Separately they are asking. In the above question, they were asking separately percentage of boy and girl. Now similarly, they are separately asking the percentage of red stone and white stone. The method is same for both the question. So you will solve this question. At least you should try. Now the price of suitcase increased from this one to this one. Find the percentage increase in the price of suitcase. This is here I am telling you the formula of percent increment or percent increase is equal to increment multiply by 100 whole upon initial value. ठीक, अभी पहले क्या था, firstly the suitcase price was 3200 and then it increased and now it is 3500. how much it increased? देखो 3500 हो गया, बट पहले कितना था 3200, कितना इंक्रीज हुआ 300, राइट? सो यू विल राइट increased value या increment is equal to 3500 minus 3200, that is 300. now you will write percent increase is equal to, you will write, because they are asking percent increase, no? So you will write percent increase equal to, firstly you will write the formula, don't forget to write the formula. Then you will write increment, how much it increased, 300 multiply by 100 whole upon initial value. Initial means पहले कितना प्राइस था, initial value और initial price, value या price, यहाँ पे प्राइस दिया है तो पहले प्राइस कितना था 3200, ये तो बाद वाला प्राइस है ना, this is the final price but initial price was 3200. 0 0 will be cancelled out, 3 1 जा 3, sorry 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10, again 2, 75 there, 75 by 8%, or you can solve it. So it was the today's session. In next session we will discuss more thing. Okay, thank you, bye bye.